Hi, welcome to Caretech UK Ltd. Please come in and have a look around our new showroom, which we're proud to present. This is Jackie, lady on reception. She will be seeing you initially when you come in, if you want to book an appointment, and she will show you around and show you some of the equipment. But in the meantime, please follow me through. And so we've been a little bit busy over the last 8 months during COVID, and we've moved all the offices upstairs and actually decided to put in a showroom. Now, Caretech UK have been servicing and maintaining hoists, stair lifts, baths for 35 years. And it tends to be that product gets sold for the profit on the product and not for the reliability. And I thought there's a market here where my experience, my engineer's experience, we will pick the best on the market that will give our clients at least 10 years trouble-free service, and to that point we actually give additional guarantees on the equipment that we supply. So we service and maintain for the NHS, nursing homes, housing associations. We know the kit that's out there, we know what's reliable and what's not. We will only supply European goods or British made goods. Goods that we know that we can get parts for, we can get technical support and the full backup, and the product is going to be reliable, because we don't want to be coming out and repairing it. It's not a case of the profit, it's a case of not being called out, because that's where the profit goes. So just a quick show round. What we've got, we've brought in a Pollock through floor lift. This is actually a wheelchair lift, which will actually take you up to your next floor of your house, which will save you putting in a stair lift or moving, obviously, to a residential home or a bungalow. So we've got one of these in here. We've also put in the Handicare curved stair lift, which is the free lift, which will take you up and round very tight corners. So if you've got a problem with tight stairs, this is your option. And it also has a fold down track, which will allow for doorways which may be situated at the bottom of your stairs. A slightly cheaper option, we have the 2000 series, which again will take you up and round the stairs. This one only does external corners, whereas the previous one I showed you actually will do internal corners as well. Well, we have products in here such as the toilet razors, and this will actually clean you, dry you, and save you having to have carers coming in and assisting you on the toilet. We then go through and we have a standard household residential stand-up through floor lift, again made by Pollock, which is made in Northern Ireland, well tried, tested, parts are available, never going to get a problem, and again we give additional guarantee over and above the manufacturer's standard guarantee. So you will never get anything less than a 2-year guarantee with Caretech UK Ltd. Now we've also set up an area for the occupational therapists and the local helpers to come in and do training on moving and handling and how to handle patients with the minimal of stress on the carers' backs. So to that end, we invite carers to come down and have training sessions with us, full CPD training, where they get a certificate to show they know what the equipment is. And we only sell, as I say, products that we know will be reliable. So again, we've got the Invacare overhead hoist system, which is actually a American system, along with the Oxford range, if you'd like to come through, which is produced in the UK, and then we have the Lico overhead hoist system, which is manufactured in Denmark. Our friends in Denmark. Very, very reliable. I say we don't sell kit that we think is going to break down, because we know how vulnerable our clientele is. We do offer 365 days, 24/7 support, which is available to all our contract customers, and obviously to our clients that we've actually supplied our equipment to as well. We do specialist beds, so this particular bed will actually sit you up, spin you around, and alleviate the need for having carers coming in every day of the week to get you up and put you to bed. That can be seen on our website if you'd like to see actually working. We do weigh scales, so that would be either wheelchair scales or sit-on scales. We also service and maintain those. We do biomedical servicing and repairs also, so we can come in and calibrate all your biomedical equipment and physio equipment. We do rise and recline armchairs. It's a very small selection in here at the moment, one which you can come down and have a look at any time. We do prefer, if you can, come down and see the product range so you can try it before you buy, as opposed to having a rep come out and try and do you a hard sell and get your deposit there and then. Just come down, have a nose. We work for many authorities, as I've said previously. We're NHS supply chain approved for both service and maintenance and supply. We're also approved from various manufacturers, all the leading manufacturers as approved agents for service and maintenance. So our core business is repairs. 95% is repairs. It's literally, we're just getting into this market. We have engineers that are based throughout the country, from Leeds all the way down to Taunton and across to Kent. We cover full of London, Suffolk. So we've got engineers that are throughout the country. But unfortunately, we've only got the one showroom, which is in Rayleigh in Essex, 19 Sirdar Road, on the Brook Road Industrial Site. Please come and see us. Alternatively, we do have an option of a virtual showroom, which you can see on social media or on our website. I hope it's given you some sort of idea of what we do. I'm not a film star, so you might want to cut that bit. But please, feel free, come down, have a nose, give us a call through if you can beforehand. Just make sure we haven't got any training events on, and it'd be lovely to see you. Thank you.